Okay, sometimes when you're coloring an image, you want to blend some different colors, like in this seahorse. So I'm going to blend some blue greens and some blues to create my coloring. I've chosen BG10, which is going to be my lightest color, BG13, which still follows my 2 to 3 digits apart rule, and then I'm going to pull in some blue 16, and you'll see that my B continues. I don't have the G, the green in it, but I've got the blue, so these are going to blend okay. And then I'm going to stick with my 2 to 3 digits apart. I've got 16. I've also got 14 if I need to blend a little bit lighter. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how we're going to blend these. You're going to start with your lightest color, of course, and you're going to do your circular motions. And again, you want to use a good part of your marker. You don't want to use just the tip. I'm going to use these circles. I'm going to color the circles a different color. So I'm going to go around the circles. I'm just coloring the body of the seahorse. Okay. And since those little spots are so little, I'm really not going to worry about them too much because I'm going to be able to color over them with whatever darker color I choose to, because this is such a light color. But this is going to give me a good base to blend on. So now I'm going to take my BG13, and I'm going to follow this midline around. I'm going to do the bottom part of his chin and his nose, under his eye, and then on his belly, I'm going to go under each of these, I don't know, I guess they're plates on his belly. And I'm just going to kind of trace around here with the fatter line. I'm going to make my blue the least amount of my color. I'm going to pull this around, get his tail shaded there. And then a little bit here. Okay. I'm going to then go in with my beef. This is the 16. I'm going to go ahead and do the 16 because I want some deep shadows right in here. And again, I'm going to go just a little bit less than what I did with my other one, with my middle color. And this is just giving them a nice hint of blue shading. I like the way those colors blend. Just a little bit on this edge. Okay, I think actually I'm going to do these dots and make them dark blue. Okay, now I'm going to go back with my BG10 and color in everything. Blend it some blend those colors in a little smoother. And again, since this is such a light color, it's really going to lighten those darker colors. So that's what's nice about using the darker colors and the lighter colors. When you do the light over the dark, it really does bleach out and blend those colors. See how it just smooths those lines. I love the way it just shades that. That is just really pretty. Really like those colors. It just really gives it a nice definition through here. Okay, and then if I find that I still want some more definition, I can still go back and add. This is the B16, the darkest. I just want just a touch more of the blue. Not a lot. Just a little bit on spots. I'm actually going to go back with the BG13 as well and add just a little bit more of the 13. And like I said, just keep working your colors. Keep working those colors until you achieve the look that you want. Now, if you're a heavy-handed colorer and your colors start to bleed outside the lines, go ahead and just take a break, let your inks dry a little bit, and then come back and add more color to it. Once they've dried a little bit and you come back, it's going to reconstitute the color, and it'll let you work those colors a little bit more. And they'll blend easier then. Okay, so now I'm going to go back again with my lighter color. Just kind of blend those lines in. I love this little seahorse. He's just too cute. Blend in those lines. Okay. Now I have to decide what color I'm going to do those circles. And I think I am going to go with an orange and a yellow. This is Y17. Yeah, Y17. It's a golden yellow. And when you're picking colors, opposite colors, I'm in the teen range here. So I'm staying with the teens. I don't want to go to like Y68 or something that's going to be an extreme difference, or if I do, I need to be really careful when I'm choosing my colors. But with the teens, my numbers are staying still close together, even though my color families are different. My numbers are staying close together. Okay, so now I need to add, I don't know, a little bit of something else there, because I don't want just yellow. I need a little bit of shading. So here I'm going to go with YR16. I'm keeping my Y, and I'm adding the R, the red, and I'm keeping my digits. I'm still in the teens, and I'm still close together. So I'm just going to add a little bit on the one side of the circle. And then maybe the bottom side of these darker pieces. And that just adds a little bit of shading. So there you have the little seahorse, a quick little tutorial on how to pick colors when you don't have numbers that are in succession, or when you want to add some different colors. So I hope you enjoyed that. Happy coloring!